All right, so starting off early, not really early actually. People are already at GAT. We're starting off by doing some of my GAT prep for the Bonneville. I've already started on some of it. I fixed a rust hole in my fender. I'm going to try to go get a buffer right now to try to buff and polish the whole car and clean it up a little bit so that it looks decent for GAT, because I know it's kind of a rough looking car. We got that. We got to detail this car, and we've got to detail the Bonneville, obviously. And then I've got to do an oil change on the Bonneville. I don't know if I have anything else, but I know I've got to do an oil change on the Bonneville for sure. But we're gonna go hit AutoZone, see if we can find a decent little buffer. I should have already the compound that I need to buff out some of the swirls. And yeah, entrance is rough. It's, I don't know if y'all can see it from here, but it's all potholes everywhere, dude. It is so bad. So you kind of have to pull in a little goofy, where you pull into the left side over there, but it's all right, you know. Holy shit, buddy. Okay, between these two, bumpy as fuck. Like this, like that. Come all the way back over because it's steep. Hit like that. And then these people don't always park over here, so it's fine. I'm gonna whip this John right here. There's the shit box. Take a look at how we want to do this. It needs a full buff. I 100% need to fix this a little bit. Some of that peeled off in the car wash yesterday, I think. I might be able to just paint over that though. Decent match. All this needs buffed, so let's get into it, I guess. I don't know if y'all can see the difference here in between this and this, and I can feel the difference in between the two. That's a good buffer. I mean, that's a good compound is what it is, really. I mean, there's a couple spots I missed for water spots up here, but you know, it gets the job done, dude. Like, it really does. That's a leaf in my rag. Awesome. But not bad. Not bad at all. Alright, so we're on the way to, I want to say Lowe's is what it is. I'm not sure what one it is, but I think it's Lowe's. What we're gonna do is, like I said earlier, I'm going to pick up plastic side skirts. They're not side skirts, plastic rain gutters, and I'm going to cut them to size and help make the sides of my car look lower and more flat. Just kind of got this weird like U shape to it, and it's not flat at all. It makes the middle of my car look a lot taller than it actually is. But yeah, we're on our way there right now. So alright, so we got our gutters from Lowe's. Now I just gotta see if I can fit them in my car, but they actually should work out really well. I got two. It was 15 bucks, dude, for two, for 10 feet each. So I got 20 feet. I shouldn't need, honestly, more than probably 8 feet per, but still, you know, good to have extra, obviously. Yeah, it should be a good deal. This part's gonna be kind of educational for me and you guys, because I don't necessarily know what the hell I'm doing. Right now I'm just adding marks for where the edge of my side skirt needs to be. Not really sure if I'm gonna have to cut off this upper lip or if I'm going to have to do it a different way. I think I'm probably gonna have to cut off that upper lip so that I can stuff a lot of it in further. Or I could do it upside down. Shit, I might do it upside down. Hell, I might actually do it upside down. I guess not necessarily upside down, but it'd be more upside down than what it is. And then it would sit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's how I'm doing it. So, we're going to set these as far over as the edge of that. And then the edge of this. And we're going to bring it up so that it all sits relatively flat. Make my mark. There's my mark. And now we're gonna go find something to cut it with. Alright, so since we don't have a Sawzall, this is my next best option. It's not my favorite option, but it's what we got. Whoops. Oh, it came unplugged. That's not safe at all. Alright, so now that part's chopped up, we just gotta figure out where we need to cut for it to fit into the door, because it's gonna be quite a bit, because we're gonna have to cut, I think, almost all of that to get it to fit into the door. Might even have to cut more of it. We'll see. So actually, this side's gonna need, oh my gosh. Dude, that might actually fit so well. Okay, so we threw it up in the car, bolted it in the middle, and it looked perfect. I am now done spray painting the one side, the color code for my car. I don't even think it is technically the color code for it. Got to watch for bugs in it before I clear it, but I'm about to throw some clear on it here in just a minute, and then I will start on the other side. I think I'm going to do this side first, get it fully together, and then do that other side once this side's done. But I mean, for rain gutters, that ain't bad at all. So, alright, so this side's cleared. If you wanted it to be a little bit better quality, of course, you would sand it a little bit better before painting it, but it's whatever. It's a for now side skirt, and they're $15 rain gutters. So how low my car is, I know I'm gonna bust one of these probably a couple times a year. So yeah, we'll let this guy dry while we cut the other side. By the time I'm done cutting the other side up, getting everything set up there, this guy should be dry. I should be able to throw this guy on.